Hi guys, Fred.Zent here from Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to show you a 2016 Forest River Stealth 3316 fifth wheel toy hauler. Come on inside, let me show it to you. So when you walk in, you got two bunks. The nice thing with this, your couch faces all your people that'll be in here. This folds down into a bed as well. And then you got another jackknife sofa bed. This folds out. You have your nice stealth embroidered swivel rockers. And you have storage above. And then right here in the galley, you got your microwave. You got a 3-burner stove. Enough oven so you can do pizzas on the road when you're camping. Got a nice deep sink. Put these over here if you need extra space. All kinds of extra room in here. Then you got 3 full extending drawers. And then you got a space for a garbage can as well. And then you got a 2-door Dometic refrigerator. Nice TV right above. And then over here you got your controls and then extra storage and a nice subwoofer below. Come on upstairs, I'll walk you into the bathroom. When you come in here, you got a nice shower corner, glass shower enclosure. And then you got your medicine cabinet, storage underneath the sink. And then you can walk right in here. And then you got a nice wardrobe on both sides. So if you need to hang coats up, full extending drawers. And then you got your walk-around queen-size bed with storage above the bed. A little spot up here if you need to put your phone, alarm clock, USB ports over here. You got end tables on both sides. You got your 2 outside speakers, and then you got your power awning. When it comes out, there is LED lighting underneath. When you put this down here, this is how you're going to load your toys. You got a side ladder here to get onto your roof so you can inspect it. Here's your fill station. It's a 30-gallon fill station. Here's your pass-through. And you have your city water hookups, outside shower. Two 7.5-gallon propane tanks. And then you come around the front here, right underneath the cab, you have your Onan generator. It's 4,000 watt. Guys, if you'd like more information on this 2016 Forest River Stealth, give me a call. My name's Fred.Zent. My number's 541-729-9500. Thanks for looking.